Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to clock in and do your notes. So first I'm gonna go ahead and click on the client that I have for 2:30. Once I'm in here, it'll ask you some questions regarding COVID. If for some reason you guys do have any symptoms or one of the answers to those questions was yes, you're gonna immediately call the office and let them know what's happening. So since I don't have anything, I'm gonna go ahead and click confirm. Once I'm in here, I'm gonna go ahead and clock in, and I'm gonna hit the clock, and I'm gonna click clock in. Once I do that, 10 minutes before the shift, I would suggest you go to activities, and this is where we're going to do our notes. So we're going to click on companionship and homemaking. Once we're there, every notes are different with every client, so you really have to read through them. This part is where it tells you exactly what you have to be doing with each client. So for example, let's say we took the client to an appointment, so we're going to go ahead and click complete, and then we're going to fill out where we took him. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the pencil right here, and we're going to say, we took him to this place at this time, and you need to be really detailed on your notes. And if for some reason it says here that every time you go with the client you need to give him a bath, but the client refuses, you're gonna go ahead and click customer refuse, and then you're gonna explain why when you click on the little pencil. But yeah, every little thing that you do, you need to be very detailed. So then once we're done, we're gonna go ahead and click save, or else it's not gonna save and your notes won't show up, and you could get in trouble if you don't do the notes, because then insurances, they don't pay the hours, and it's gonna become a whole problem. So just make sure you click save before clocking out. So once we're done with the notes, we're gonna go ahead and go back, and then we're gonna go ahead and clock out. And once we clock out, it'll have your customers sign, and then they're gonna record a memo saying it's them. Afterwards, you're gonna sign, and then you can clock out, and it's gonna get your exact location, just like when you clock right in. And that's it. And in case you guys have any problems with not having internet to make the notes, you guys will be clocking out with the number on your badge. So all you have to do is save whatever you could save, and if it's not working, that's all right. So once you clock out, you can still go back and go into activities later on, just within the same hour. You can go back and make the notes and hit save, and it'll save. So that way you guys are not worried that you couldn't go back because you have already clocked out. It doesn't matter, you guys can always go back in within the same hours, within an hour I think, and still make the notes.